Ecuador.
Ay, shit. Apat na lang.
Only 4 more to go, and this one is all about
Philippines.
Brazil.
Shit! Tatlo na lang. Shit.
Pinakabalan ko. Ako din.
We're calling now for number 3.
Philippines.
Spain.
Liguac.
Venezuela,
USA.
Venezuela, USA, India.
Isa na lang.
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa.
Shit.
2 more to go.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Great Britain.
That means the very last one.
Great Britain!
Is
USA.
Hindi.
Venezuela.
Ay, shit. Liguac.
Hanggang pa rin.
Libaw pa rin.
Liguac na yung USA, sorry.
Kabog ang Pilipinas.
Grabe naman. Pumasok ang
4 years.
4 years natin.
Shit!
Top 5, top 5.
Hello, Shanti Janine! Ang ina! Nakaka-proud! Oh my God! Oh my God, ito na. Good luck! Good luck!
Ayun na,
Ayan na.
Kaya yan na, wala question na.
Wala na sila, ano. Tutulungan ko yan.
Anong tanong?
Philippines, the please join us.
Ayan na. Sana.
May translator siya. Charles.
Isa pa. Ayan na.
Philippines na Philippines.
Philippines
Judge
na.
number 7, Laura Lipinski. Can we please have your question?
Okay, my question is, what can be done about the lack of jobs for young people starting their careers around the world?
Vivian Revilla. So, for the people who have lack of jobs, I do believe that we people should invest in education, and that is my primary advocacy. Because if we all know that if everyone of us is educated and well aware of what we are doing, we could land into jobs and we could land our good careers in the future. So education is primary source, and it's a ticket for a better future. Thank you.
Buti na lang umi-English siya, siya lang umi-English. Pero ang saka niya kapag umi-English yung mga kasama niya.
Pero lahat ang kinakabahan siya.
Panalong-panalong tayo niya.
This is it. Good luck to all of you. You did a great job. Here we go.
Winner na Brazil.
Sige, type mo nga.
The fourth runner-up
Pakina naman! Huwag naman!
is Brazil.
Sinungaling si Maclaro! Wait lang. Wait lang.
Larson din, Larson.
Ay! Third runner. Ang galing ng audience, oh. Ay!
We are so close. One of the three women who
Yun na yun! Yun na yun!
will be. Ecuador.
Wala na sila.
Spain nga. Kasi si beauty pa rin yung inaano
Alright,
nila.
so now it is down to our final 2.
Third runner, kompleto. Di ba walang third runner up?
Please come over and join us here in the center of the stage.
Wala tayo second.
This is the moment when the dream becomes
Ayoko naman. Ayoko na.
These two women is about to become Miss Universe 2013.
Now, for any reason, if the new Miss Universe cannot fulfill her duties, the first runner-up is going to take over, and so Miss Universe 2013 is Venezuela, Gabriela Isla!
Oh, si Spain yung nanalo.
Ay, akala ko siya nanalo yata. Sino nanalo?
Si Venezuela.
Ay! Seryoso? seryoso?
Sa Venezuela.